It's me.
Put the pounds in the trash can, Gucci do the dishes. Nobody fuck with my kitchen.
Welcome back to Shooter's Kitchen. Today we are making flour pasta. Homemade fresh pasta, easy mode. Easy mode. Ingredients: 2 cups of flour, kosher salt, eggs, 6 eggs to be exact, and some double O flour. Double O. 6 double O.
Not 007 flour?
007 flour, whatever you want to call it. It's just flour. It's just flour. Like, do you want me to read the bag?
Yes.
Unbleached flour milled specifically for pasta. 00 flour. We're gonna take our flour. Boom! We're just gonna dump it on the table. Just like so. Then, we're gonna make a little well in the middle. Like a little volcano, but with a big opening. Are you getting this?
I am.
So we got our little volcano well there. This is 2 cups of flour, by the way, 6 eggs. But here's what's going on. We're gonna break 2 eggs just in there, whole eggs. Boom! And another one. Boom! Whole eggs. And this is where shit gets crazy. We need 4 yolks. And I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that without that weird little water bottle trick. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Separate the egg. You can literally just fucking do this. There you go. Egg yolk. No water bottle needed.
No water bottle necessary.
I hate those stupid tricks.
You should be saving the whites, man. I could use those for breakfast.
Do people not use their hands to cook? This is my favorite tool to use in the kitchen. My bare ass hands.
Mom, volume a little less.
2. 3. I should just do a video on separating yolks alone. Without anything. How to separate egg yolks without anything. You literally have the egg like this and you spread your fingers literally like a millimeter. And there goes the yolk. You do a little wiggle back and forth. There's the yolk. 4 yolks, 2 eggs.
6 eggs total.
6 eggs total. And then you just want to, you don't want it to like spill out over. You just want to, whatever, if it spills out over, it spills out over.
So you whip your eggs inside the, oh
Oh
man. You rusty or what?
Because I'm not making a large amount. Usually I make a large ass amount. And I'll have a bigger well in the middle, but this is fine. We're just going to do it with our hands. The fork is can come after. It's whatever, just get it all together. Can you grab a pinch of salt and add it in for me? No, all around.
This is enough?
Yes, pinch. What are you doing?
You told me all around! Like, what's wrong with this man?
But you're doing weird shit.
He's psychotic.
You just fucking mix it forever and ever until you have what looks like a pasta dough. You want to get all the flour. I know it seems like it's never going to happen. You can sit here and do this for like 30 minutes and it'll feel like there's never going to be pasta.
You don't need oil in there?
No. So after about fucking hour and a half of kneading this, you get a nice smooth like Play-Doh texture. That's when you know you're good to go. That's when you know.
Good to go. I seen no dance before. I've never seen a dance like this.
And you can just keep kneading until your little heart's content with the texture of your pasta. If you search online for recipes, there's like 10,000 different pasta recipes with different flours, different egg to flour ratios, salt, water, and oil all added in, and do whatever one you want to do.
Masha, look at her face.
He's right.
And you just cover it and rest it for, I don't know,
Oh, whoops.
until it's ready to not be rested anymore.
Turn it the other way.
Mom,
See if
Mom.
it'll stick.
It won't stick to the floured surface.
How long does it rest for?
Like this, it's gonna take like an hour, but we're gonna flatten it out and then rest it. We're gonna flatten it like that, and then we're gonna rest it for like 20 to 30 minutes. And we're gonna come back, we're gonna chop this up, we're gonna run it through the KitchenAid, and we're gonna make noodles.
Just like that?
Just like that, that's pasta. That's it. Why you working so hard for? Just cut it out. Work smarter, not harder.
What if you put a pan over it? Like, what's the purpose of leaving it to rest? Is it
The
to
gluten is
soften it
forming.
up?
There's science happening right now.
So heat is part
No,
of that
nothing.
science?
It just needs to chill.
Oh, okay. Because I was thinking,
If
put
you
a
try
bigger
to-
pan over it, and then it
Like,
creates
imagine-
a humid
That's it.
environment.
No heat's
Okay.
needed.
I'm just asking.
Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Sits at room temperature. Imagine there's these particles right here, okay? And then the eggs are here. This is the flour. These are the eggs. Smush! Okay?
Big Bang
We-
Theory.
We mix them together, but are they really together? What makes them
You
go
sound like
together?
Jaden Smith.
You want to know what makes them go together? Like really together to become one?
The atoms.
Just time. Let them do their own thing. Let them, the atoms connect and become.
You are no Bill Nye.
Bill Nye, the science
Shoot
guy.
it.
There's gluten for me, okay?
You can put it on your head top right now.
I wish. So boom. Now we have this.
Oh,
Nice,
the heart!
soft, stretchy
Oh,
pasta.
I love you too, Snape. Love to you.
You'll feel the texture difference from when you rolled it out to before you rested it. It's nice and soft now. So boom, it's time to bring out the big guns. We got this. We're gonna cut some pasta for this heart, you know? The real way to a woman's heart is this pasta.
You don't need to be making everything to a woman's heart.
So boom, we're just gonna cut it in 4 pieces for now and see what we're working with. I'm gonna roll it out a bit. They're gonna be long as hell.
I like a long noodle.
Yeah.
Yeah? You like a long noodle too?
No. So now that we have these rolled out, it's time to pull out the big machine. This thing. We're just gonna pass it through like 10,000 times. If you have one of these, you're gonna start on one. You can always do this by hand if you want to spend like an hour and a half making pasta with your grandma or something. Flattening down into noodles and then just cutting with a knife the shape of the noodle you want. That's all fine and dandy because who cares what it looks like when you're eating at home. But I have one of these, so I'm gonna use it. Start on one on a low speed and then you get thinner and work and turn the speed up as you go until you got your desired width of your noodle.
Noodle. Use your noodle. Noodle. Do the noodle dance. You didn't watch PB&J Auto-Raid? Oh my gosh. It
That's
shows.
one last time.
It shows.
The second time you said that to me.
I just wanna bow. Designer on my drive. I've been dripping sauce. I just want it all. I just wanna bow. Designer on my drive. I've been dripping sauce. I just wanna bow. She wanna fuck with a boss, ayy. I just been dripping the sauce, ayy. I spend a lot of my draws, ayy. I do not fuck with Lacoste, ayy. Might fuck a bitch on an off day. Rockin' Versace and ball, man. I do not care what it costs, man. I put them racks in the ball, ayy. Them niggas all talk. Pull up, we hop out. 30 round my bow. Standards and glass out. I hit with nothing but vultures. Wedding band rings, I shine like the altar. She fuck with nothing but buses. Drip till I'm dead, supreme on my coffin. Only eat with who I starve with. Designer drip out on the carpet. Them niggas cannot keep up. I got my feet up, 17 out the carbon. I just wanna ball. Designer on my jaw. I've been dripping sauce. I just want it all.
Alright.
Oh wait, no, if you had it sideways, were you not?
Sue's Kitchen.
That's a good one.
Now we're gonna turn these into linguine. Straight shapes and sizes, who cares? New attachment, new me.
New year, new you.
Just grab your pastas. Get this going again. These are kind of thin.
Do the attachments have names?
Yeah, linguine. Fettuccine. Spaghetti.
Oh, okay. No, you need your scissors? Or is that after?
For what?
Huh?
For what?
To cut these to the length you want them at.
I should have did that before I did this.
What the freak, babe? Oh, shit. Bastard! Look at shoelaces. He makes his own homemade pasta, Lydia?
Huh?
He makes pasta?
No.
So how did he, why was he saying he had flour and...
That's what he had for dinner. And I said you should have turned it into pasta.
Ew, what was he eating?
Flour and water, babe.
I just wanna ball. Designer on my jaw. I've been dripping sauce. I just wanna ball.
There you have it. Pasta.
There, that's your...
Pasta.
You can give us a smile? Perfection. No, now you just look creepy. You look like Wario.
It's me. It's me. It's me. It's me. It's me. It's me.
It's me.
And we're just gonna Ziploc bag this because my wife is gonna use it for a YouTube video later. But that's it. That's how you make pasta.
Wow, so easy. 3 ingredients.
3 ingredients. There you have like 4 dinners if you're a single person. And you're just feeding yourself. You have dinner for all week. It costs you less than $1. You don't ever wash these. You dust them off. You never get this wet. Ever.
Because it will rest.
No.
No?
The pasta, the flour will all get caked on and it'll just ruin the inside.
Oh.
You'd rather just have the dry flour on there? That's how you make pasta on Shooter's Kitchen.
At home.
At home. By yourself. No help needed. You got my help. I'm your personal chef now. Just subscribe.
You did this whole video with no tea.
Because I don't like them.
Oh my god.
I know.